If you feel like your body has completely changed after 50, and the diet and exercise habits that used to work for you just stopped, I want you to hear this clearly. It is not your fault. Hey there, friends. You know, I hear this all the time in our community. You're eating healthy, you're staying active, but the scale isn't moving. It's incredibly frustrating, and it's easy to start blaming yourself. But here's the truth. Your body is navigating a natural metabolic shift after 50. It's not a failure of willpower, it's a change in the season of your life. Today, we're going to work with that shift, not against it. The beauty of the solution isn't doing more, it's doing smarter. We're going to focus on adding 3 simple habits to support your body. 1. Prioritize protein. Think of protein as the building blocks for your metabolic engine. After 50, our muscles love a little extra help. We aren't cutting calories, we're just adding a bit more protein to breakfast. It keeps you fuller longer and gives you the energy you deserve. 2. Smarter strength. Cardio is great, but adding just 10 minutes of joint-friendly strength work, like simple bodyweight movements, does wonders. It helps you stay independent and keeps your metabolism humming. 3. The grocery test. This is my favorite cheat code. Instead of focusing on what to take away, just add 1 extra whole food item to every plate. A handful of spinach, a scoop of berries, or a serving of roasted veggies. It adds volume, fiber, and joy. This isn't just about weight loss, friends. It's about reclaiming your strength and thriving. You absolutely deserve this vitality. And remember, simple, consistent habits are what create the biggest transformations. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 3 habits feels the most doable for your routine this week? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. If this helped you feel more empowered, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, natural health tips. Cheers to health, happiness, and thriving.